Welcome back, my dear students. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of our blood, the remarkable liquid tissue that delivers oxygen, fights off germs, and helps heal wounds. We'll get to know plasma, the transport highway, red blood cells or RBCs, the oxygen carriers, white blood cells, WBCs, our body defenders, platelet, the quick repair crew. Together they form an incredible team that works non-stop to keep us alive, healthy and strong. Let's begin our journey into this amazing life-sustaining system. Blood is more than just red liquid. It's a moving tissue that keeps every part of our body alive and working. It's made up of two main components: blood plasma, the liquid part, and the formed elements is the solid part, cells and cell fragments. On average, blood is about 55% plasma and 45% formed element. This is the composition of blood. Blood plasma, the straw colored fluid. If we remove all the cells from our blood, what left is called blood plasma, a pale yellow watery liquid. Its water content is approximately 91.5% and solutes are approximately 8.5%, which include mostly proteins and other dissolved substances. Plasma proteins produced mostly by liver cells or hepatocytes. It include albumins 54% help maintain blood volume and pressure. Globulins 38% include antibodies or immunoglobulin that fight infections, and fibrinogen, which is approximately 7%, is very much important for blood clotting. Other solutes in plasma, electrolytes such as sodium and potassium keep cells working properly. Nutrients, glucose, amino acids or lipids. Regulatory substances, hormones and enzymes. Gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Wastes, urea, uric acid, bilirubin, which to be excreted, etc. So plasma contains water, ions, proteins, nutrients, wastes and gases. Formed element. The cellular heroes. The formed elements are the living part of blood and include red blood cells or RBCs, the oxygen carrier, most abundant, make up nearly 99% of formed elements. They are packed with hemoglobin to transport oxygen to tissues and bring carbon dioxide back to the lungs. White blood cells or WBCs, which are the defenders. They protect the body against infections. Two main types are granular leukocytes, have visible granules under microscope. Neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil. Neutrophil is the first responders attack bacteria. Eosinophils fight against parasites involved in allergies. Basophil release histamine during inflammation. Agranular leukocytes, no visible granules are there. Lymphocytes include T cell, B cell, natural killer cells, which are the key players in immunity. Monocytes, they become macrophages that eat microbes and dead cells. Platelets, the clot makers, not whole cells but cell fragments from large bone marrow cells. They help stop bleeding by forming clots. The buffy coat. When blood is spun in a centrifuge, RBCs settle at the bottom, plasma rises to the top, and between them lies the thin buffy coat made up of WBCs and platelets. Hematocrit, measuring RBC volume. The hematocrit tells us what percentage of blood is made up of RBCs. Example, a hematocrit of 40 means 40% of the blood's volume is RBCs. So I hope this class helped you understand the amazing world of our blood, how plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets work together like a perfect team to transport nutrients, fight infections and heal wounds. Truly, blood is the body's life-giving river, keeping every part of us alive, protected and strong. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more simple and exciting biology topics. Keep learning, stay curious and let your knowledge flow just like your blood. See you next time. Take care. Thank you.